Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alright, I'll be sitting here so you can hear all my commentary. This is our 3D printed takeoff and landing pad. Alright, so quad will stay here. I hope I can land here, which is very, very difficult. Now, this is a complete stock setup, so I'm running the Ishin VR06 goggles that came with the quadcopter. So turn this on.
Hello.
Contrast.
I'll shoot you in the face.
No, don't shoot me in the face.
No, I'm going to shoot the copper.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright. Video is very, very clear. Ready? Where are you? Why did you leave the... Why did you leave the... Uh-oh, did you hit it?
But it didn't crash.
Okay, let me try to fly around fast. Where's the gate? Oh, wait. The yaw. Oh, the image is very, very nice, but the yaw is kind of sluggish. Oh, it's coming back.
To the landing pad.
To the landing pad. Here we go.
Fly.
Oh, you shot it!
Yes!
Oh, you shot it!
Yes!
You're getting better. You're getting better at it.
I'm not using the scope.
Uh-oh, what did Baba do?
Landing pad.
And here we go again. You know, there's enough power in this quadcopter. It's just that it's a little sluggish.
Get you.
This time I'm doing pretty good. Oh, I missed this loop. Oh, I got it. Here's a little flag I cleared. I need to get used to FPV whooping again. It's been a long time since I did the FPV whooping. Ah! Almost hit myself. Ah!
You hit the camera.
Camera fell down?
No.
Okay, good. No problem.
No.
Oh, come back. Oh, come back. Oh, we are doing it. Yeah, we did a loop. Oh, no, roll. So go through the kitchen again. I need to get used to this quadcopter's behavior. EO11, honestly speaking, was one of the best when it came to the quadcopter flight performance. But this one I need to do a getting used to. The yaw is kind of a little sluggish. What did happen? What did catch me? Which thing caught me? Okay, here's the loop. Hula hoop. Uh-oh, what was that? Propeller? Oh, that's Baba's paramotor propeller?
Yeah. I almost backed you.
I'm still doing it. I'm still flying pretty good. The punch is very nice. And we are coming through these loops. Uh-oh, what did I put? Did I put the camera down?
No,
Okay.
you hit here, the sharp mouse.
Okay.
Back to the landing pad.
And here we go again. This time Baba will try to do the loop, full course properly. So go, oh man, this thing can go faster. And we are going through this. Passing through the big belly pilot. Dodging this, going through this, going through the gate. Oh, this time I landed in the kitchen somewhere. Uh-oh. No controls left. I got my controls back. Yes, I figured, I actually found out that you can go out of range while flying this quadcopter. The radio control does not have much range. The battery level. Now, yes, these are two issues I am having with this quadcopter. I mean, this is a sweet, really nice FPV whooping combo. The first issue is there isn't much range on this radio. If I go to another room, just like I was in the kitchen just now, and when I went lower, I lost control. There was no control left. I don't have it. It doesn't receive the control signals. The second issue is the battery finishes really quick and I have only one battery. Okay, no choice but to charge it and get back to flying. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.